Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create UML diagrams in draw.io. First, just open up the diagram where you want to do this, and then here in the left hand panel you'll see the different shapes. If you don't see this, click on this icon and just make sure shapes is toggled on, or you could use this shortcut. Now if this is visible, come here, click on more shapes, and then from here, okay, I want you to scroll down until you see UML and UML 2.5. Now, I want you to just toggle these on and then click here on apply. Now, if we scroll down, you'll actually see these options, and you can easily just bring in those shapes, right? You just drag and drop, as you can see right here. Really that easy. Or what you could also do, you could bring in templates. So you can click here on arrange, hover over insert, and then click here on template, and you can easily click here on UML. You'll see different templates you can use. Just pick the one that you like and then just click on insert, and then you can start editing them. Okay, but that is how you can create UML diagrams in draw.io.